I don't think that's, I don't think there's any question about it. C1 Women needs to become Olympic because our sport needs to be, we need to have equal men and equal women, and for gender equity, that's something that has to happen. So, there's a few steps that have to happen before we become Olympic, and that comes with the individual federations. So hopefully more girls become involved and do that, because C1 Women should be in the Olympics.
The girls, the field of the girls, are they already ready to participate in an Olympic discipline? And reason why I'm asking that is bearing in mind maybe the number of participants, that's not always, in Cardiff we had only 8, but also the performance. We still see, missing gates, a lot of touches. So are they ready for it, do you think?
It's a tough question because some of the best C1 women aren't here, and they haven't been racing these World Cups because they haven't been funded by their federation because it is an Olympic year. So C1 Women's sort of in the shadow this year. So a few, like for example, some Germans aren't here, some Spanish, there's a few girls who weren't able to come to these events because, they didn't have the means while the other teams could. So, there's a few questions. The courses might have been a bit hard. I guess yesterday there were a few touches and it was maybe a bit messy, and some might say, oh, we're not ready. But I think we've come so far in just a few years, and we're only going to get better than this. And with everyone supporting us, there's only going to be more improvement.
Yeah. Well, there are people who think that the discipline first should become an established discipline, and with established I mean number of participants and the performance on the water, and only then becoming an Olympic discipline. But there are also people who say, well, let's make it an Olympic discipline, and that will support the development. What do you think?
I definitely think by making it an Olympic event, a lot more women will take it up as a sport, because they know that they can go to the Olympics, or they possibly could go to the Olympics. They would be recognised, well, they'd have more recognition, they'd be more like the K1 Women and the other events. And for that, there's also something else that's come up is the program, the race program. C1 Women is before K1 Women, and there are many girls out there. I've asked a lot of girls, and there are many girls out there who would double up, but the fact that it's before their K1 event, which is the Olympic event and the prioritised event at the moment, means that they can't actually do the C1 because it could affect their performance in K1. So having C1 after K1, after the main race, means that more girls would take part in it, more girls would be willing to have a go. And I think, that's what we should aim for in the next World Cup races, because I think that we could convince more girls to do it, and a lot more federations and coaches would be happy to let their athletes do C1.
You've actually already participated in an event, the Youth Olympic Games, where the things we are discussing now are not a question. They're there, it's established, and in Nanjing even, C1 will become an Olympic discipline.
Being accepted into the Nanjing Olympics C1 Women event, that's made it equal, because there's a K1 Women event, there's a C1 Women, there's C1 Men and K1 Men. So, that's such a great step for our sport. It's amazing to see that. And I think for the younger generation, the up and coming kids who are starting C1 or K1, it gives them something to look forward to, a motivation and hope for the future that C1 will be in the Olympics for the women eventually. And hopefully that's in 2016. So I think it's great to see that already it's accepted into that, and I don't see why it shouldn't be accepted into the official Summer Olympics.
Yeah. Hey, my final question, if it does become an Olympic discipline in Rio 2016, are you ready for it?
I am ready for it. I've been ready for it and I can't wait for it now. So I'm really looking forward to seeing C1 evolve, seeing more women get into it, and seeing a change in mentality.